Imagine waking up and seeing your very first Shopify sales notification. For most beginners, it feels impossible at first, but in this video, I will walk you through the exact process that can help you move from zero sales to your first customers, even if you are just getting started. If you are making use of Shopify to sell your physical products or dropshipping products or digital products or handmade products, whatever you are selling on Shopify. So in this video, I will show you how you can make your first sales as an existing store now or as a beginner, and I will break everything into 6 steps. So first thing is to find a treasury product. If you are selling a handmade product, this does not concern you, but as a dropshipper who is planning to sell dropshipping products on Shopify, you need to find trendy products. Which app can you use to find the trendy products? You can make use of TikTok, Baby Spy, Google Trend, and Marshall Juniors to find the treasury products. You can go to this site to look for a store that is doing well, check out their products and check out how they are marketing their products. Then go to your suppliers, look for that product, import it to your Shopify store. And if you are selling a physical product, you don't need it. Just make sure the product you are selling is trading product, is product that solve a problem. Secondly is the website design. Choose a clean theme to make your website. If you are using free theme, I recommend this theme called Horizon. For paid theme, use Impulse. Show you a theme, a website I use with Horizon theme, which is the free theme. Here is the website you are seeing on the screen, and this is the paid theme which I recommend, which is the Impulse theme. Here is the Impulse theme website. I use this theme to make this website you are seeing on the screen. Add your logo to the website and also put your logo as icon for browsing search engine. First step before you publish your website is to add policy and payment gateway. Before you publish your website, make sure you add terms and conditions, privacy and policy, and shipping policy to your website before you publish it. Make sure you add everything. After that is the payment gateway. If you are in USA, you can activate Shopify payment, and if you are not in USA, there are some other payment provider you can choose. Here on the screen, you can see this payment provider I'm showing you on the screen. You can make use of this payment provider in other country or create a Stripe account. Once you create a Stripe account, make sure your payment gateway is working perfectly so that any visitor that visit, it will not be difficult for them to check out from your Shopify app integration. There are some app you need to add to your Shopify store for proper optimization. List out the 3 most important apps you need to add. This app is Omnisend for recovering of abandoned carts and building relationship with your customers, which is one of the apps you need to integrate your Shopify store. You can go to the Shopify app store and install this app to your Shopify, integrate it. Once customers visit your website, the Omnisend, or you can make use of other app integration like Klaviyo as well. It will gather the information of the audience that visits your website, and if they are out of cards, it will inform them that they need to recover the abandoned cart. This will make you to build a long-term relationship with your customers and also not to make you to lose your customers as well. Other app you need to add is Ali Review for reporting review to you. One of the things you need to add is review, because review build relationship. It make them to know that, okay, I think this store has a review, then you'll be able to buy from you. Now, other apps you need to add is this trusted site for having trusting badge in your website. This also build trust for customers that visit your website. As I said, this is how you can get your faces if you implement these steps. If you're watching me for the first time, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Each step is marketing tools. You need to set up some marketing tools before you even run ads. Now, what are the marketing tools you need to set up? Is Google Analytics. Google Analytics will give you the perfect behavior data of audience that visit your website daily so that you can target them well. Why do you need to set up this Google Analytics. Before you even run ads on any social media, you need to set up this Google Analytics. Another marketing you need to set up is also Google My Business Profile. This Google My Business Profile, you can list your products on Google for free. This will give you organic traffic, and having organic traffic will make the customers to be consistently buying from you better than running ads. And these Google tools, I also said Google Analytics you need to set up. Google Analytics will help you to gather the real audience that visits your website, so that when you are running ads, you will be targeting the right audience, so that you'll not be wasting money on ads. The last step, which is the sixth step, is to run ads, which is, you can see advertisements. You can make use of TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Google Merchant. If you want to promote general products, make use of Google Merchant to promote a general product. This has worked for a general store owner. If you are selling different products like pet products, clothing, baby's clothing, different products in your Shopify store, make use of Google Merchant. This is how you can get your sales fast. You can get your first sales by making use of Google Merchant to run ads to promote your products. Make use of Google Merchant to run ads for your general products. Now, if you are selling creativity products or fashion products, make use of Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the best social media platform you can use to run ads for your fashion products or creativity products like art and design products, handmade products. Make use of Pinterest, because most people that go to Pinterest, they go to Pinterest to look for product ideas, decoration, and some other products that really helps them to look good. Now, Pinterest is one of the best social media platform you can use to promote these products I just mentioned. If you make use of Pinterest, and Pinterest is also has a low cost, you don't need to spend a lot of money on running ads on Pinterest. Now, other marketing for niche products, if you are selling a niche product, then make use of TikTok to market your products. And if you have tried all this marketing, then you can also make use of Facebook, which is one of the most popular social media platform to run ads. Facebook and Instagram, you can make use of that to run your ads. But I recommend these three social media platform: TikTok, Marshall Genius, and Pinterest. The story you are seeing on the screen. Make use of these three marketing to run ads. I've made a video on how you can set up Pinterest for your Shopify store. I'll also be dropping a video on how you can set up Google Merchant for your Shopify store. So as a beginners, if you are making use of Shopify store, I hope this video will surely help you to get your first sales. If you are an existing Shopify store owner, try to make sure you implement all these 6 steps to your Shopify store and start getting 10 sales or your first sales today. If you are watching for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, comment,